Take me to where I can hear the waves, where I can taste that salty air. To where green fields collide with blue vastness beneath red hazy layers. Take me to where I can hear the birds and in autumn smell the rain. To where the wind will speak to you, it might even call your name. Take me to the water's edge where knots can be untied, where just the sound of the sea can cleanse a muddied mind. Take me to where fields of gold glow as the tide lies low. To where no matter dusk or dawn, our star puts on a show. Take me to where my soul craves to be enchanted by every step. Where the land is rich in history and lore, where I can feel the life that has gone before. Take me to where I truly feel insignificant in the very best possible ways. Where I know the world will move on without a doubt, long, long after my days. Water cares for no one, just like the earth, just like the wind. They carry on regardless. I'm just another guest that's been let in. Take me to where it is heaven, yet I've never felt more alive. Where if I'm lucky, I'll be wandering until they call my time.